Hi, welcome to Padhai Planet, and the question for this video is that we need to find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeters. Now let's get the formula for the how to find out the area of any sector of a circle. So area of a sector of a circle, right? That's equal to theta over 360 degree multiplied by pi r square. Now here this theta is the angle of the sector, right? This is the angle of the sector, and r being the radius of the circle. Okay, now let's just try and understand with the help of a figure also. Now this is the circle and this is the center, and suppose this is the sector for which the area is to be found out or is to be calculated. So this is the angle theta. This is called the angle of the sector, and if we have to find out this area, this entire area, right, then these two lines are the radius of the circle. So this is how we can find the area of a sector of a circle. Now the question comes is that theta is not given, r is also not given, but r can be found out from the circumference of the circle. To find out the quadrant, they have already given the value of the theta, because quadrant means it's 1/4 of 360 degree, right? So we can say that the quadrant is equal to 1/4 of 360 degree. So that makes it 90 degree. So that's like quadrant is 90 degree, and this is our theta, right? So this is theta. Now let's find out r. Now we know that the circumference which is given is equal to 22 centimeter, and we can also say that 2 pi r is equal to 22, or we can also say that r is equal to 22 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 and 22, right? So 22 gets cancelled with 22, and that's like 3.5. Now that's the radius of the circle. Now let's put all these values in this, and we will get the area of the quadrant. So therefore the area of the quadrant, right, now that's equal to 90, right, over 360 degree multiplied by pi, that is 22 by 7, r square, that's multiplied by 3.5 and 3.5, right? So this is like 4 times this, and this is 2, this is then 11, right, and this is like 7.5, right? So what we get finally is that we get 11 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 3.5 divided by 2. Now the answer which we get here is, let me take the help from the calculator now, right? So that's like 11 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 3.5 divided by 2. So what we get as an answer is 9.625 square centimeter. Now that's the answer which we have got, and that's the area of the quadrant which we are talking about, right? So I hope you could understand. It was a very simple question. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and bye bye.